Jai Swaminarayan friends, welcome to Akshar Plant and Planters. Today we have planned the video in English. Actually, many of our friends are from that area that are not speaking in Hindi. So we have planned now onwards more video we will plan in English so that the other states that are not Hindi speaking can understand what we want to share about the adeniums. So as today's topic we have planned about the dormancy season in adenium. Actually, as the colds are on and dormancy season is coming in adenium, so few of the things we can do with adenium and we have to not to do with adenium, that points we are planned to discuss today. So first of all, I am requesting you to please, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, and if you like our videos, please like and share our videos to others also who are adenium lovers. So this is a small efforts done by me in English. My English also is not very good, but initially this is the first video, so hope you will like that video. So now we are starting the video. So first of all we are going to discuss about what is dormancy. Actually, dormancy is the time duration in which a plant goes in resting mode or rest position, because the whole year the plant grows and flowers, and in these 2-3 months plant will go in sleeping mode and revive its energy, and it will protect its energy and stores its energy actually, and it will change itself according to the temperature, because in the cold weather the adenium plant is not able to survive very well, and due to this it will protect itself and goes in that mode that the weather doesn't affect its life. Actually, it protect itself according to the change in weather, because excess cold, the adenium doesn't resist in excess cold. It's difficult to survive adenium in excess cold. So it will change itself, and the changes we see at the time of dormancy are, first of all, first change is yellowing of leaf. As you all seeing that the leaves are getting yellow and leaves are falling, and after leaf fall the plant will doesn't show any type of जो है new growth. So and the new growth stops and all leaves fall, we can understand that it's time started for the dormancy, because in November, as the colds are on, and till January end, the in Rajasthan, especially in Rajasthan as we are discussing, the dormancy period is there. So what we not to do and we can do with adenium, this is the point of discussion for today. First of all, watering. Especially watering is the main concern in adenium, because excess watering always harm the adenium and damage its rooting system, because it excess watering causes root rot in adenium, because there are no leaves in winter season as the dormancy is there, and there is the no way of uh, evaporation from the leaves, and due to non evaporation of the leaves, non evaporation of the water from the leaves, the water is still always present in the pot, and the root doesn't absorb any types of water from the media. So due to excess watering it will creates damage in roots, and it will create damage in roots, and the plant will cause root rot. First of the thing is this, and secondly we have to protect it from excess fog. Fog is there, excess cold is there, excess fog is there, we have to protect the plant from fog. So we have to cover it with polythene. Normal polythene we can use the size of, according to the size of plant, we can cover the plant with the polythene, and we can protect it from the direct fog. And apart from covering small polythene, we can take a big polythene, buy from a market, and cover whole of the plants. If you have the large quantity of plant, we have to cover all the plants, we will cover with a big polythene. We can buy easily available in market, transparent polythene, cover all of your plants, and due to non circulation of cold air and fog to the plants are protected. And if you need to water the plant, we have to water just by sprinkling on the leaves if the leaves are there, and general sprinkle we can do on the plants in dormancy season. And whenever you water, we can water once in a month in the media also by adding antifungal carbendazim mancozeb in water, 1 gram per liter of water, and we can add in the media, so that it will protect from fungus as well as plant will get the water. And to avoid excess watering to the media to the plant, we can also fill the pot with sand, because sometime in winter season, dormancy time, rains are there, so we can fill whole of the pot with sand or media you have available, and we can protect our plant from excess watering in it. And the temperatures are if very much low, for example 5-6 degree or lesser than it, we can place them indoor also to protect them from excess cold weather. The next point of discussion is fertigation. Actually there is no need of fertigation in dormancy period, because no growth is there, no growth sign are there, no actually if we can say that there is no need of nutrition in plant is there, because no growth is there, no flowering is there, no leaves are there. So avoid fertigation or adding fertilizers in dormancy period, because it can harm your plant. Excess fertigation, as you thought, if you think that we can add excess fertilizer and it will benefit our plants and creates new growth. So friends, actually the growths are all over stop in time of dormancy. So avoid excess fertilizers, especially we can say that chemical fertilizers can harm your plant very much. If you require to fertilize add fertilizer in your plant, you can add potash, as the organic potash is available in market. You can add organic potash 5 gram per pot, or a small spoon per pot organic potash you have to add, because potash benefit in flowering as well as it also benefits in stress time. It creates tolerance to stress, as we can say in stress due to excess temperature or due to cold also. So potash can help your plant to survive in adverse conditions. So you can, if you want to add fertilizer in your plants, you can add potash as a fertilizer in your plant in dormancy period. So friends, lastly we will discuss the points that what we have not to do with our plants in dormancy period. First of all, if you don't know very much about adenium or adenium features or adenium life cycle or how adenium grows, so you not need to buy adeniums if you are new to adeniums. If you are buying first time adenium, don't buy in this season, because dormancy in dormancy your adeniums are killed, because if all leaves are fall, you thought that there is lack of water in your media, so that leaves are fall and your plant is not growing, and you are adding more and more water to your plants. It will harm your plant, and it will, your plant will die due to excess watering. And secondly, what we have not to do in this season is, don't do pruning or grafting or root training. Don't do any type of new procedure in your adenium, because these type of new procedures can harm your adenium, because in this season there is no sign of growth. And if you cut your adenium for pruning or grafting or for root training, it will not revive your adenium, and your adenine will die. So friends, this is a small video we have planned because the winters are on, and what care you have to take for your adenine. So hope you will like our video. Plant and Plantaire are your own channel. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.